In this session, let us learn about Java linked list. Java linked list. In the previous chapter, you learned about the array list class. The linked list class is almost identical to the array list. See the example. If you write and execute this code, the result printed this: Tata, Maruti, Ashoka Leyland, Mahindra. See, now we are using the linked list method. Array list was linked list. The linked list class is a collection which can contain many objects of the same type, just like the array list. The linked list class has all of the same methods as the array list class because they both implement the list interface. This means that you can add items, change items, remove items, and clear the list in the same way. However, while the array list class and the linked list class can be used in the same way, they are built very differently. How the array list works? The array list class has a regular array inside it. When an element is added, it is placed into the array. If the array is not big enough, a new larger array is created to replace the old one, and the old one is removed. How the linked list works? The linked list stores its main in containers. The list has a link to the first container, and each container has a link to the next container in the list. To add an element to the list, the element is placed into a new container, and the container is linked to one of the other containers in the list. When to use? Use an array list for storing and accessing data, and linked list to manipulate data. Linked list methods. For many cases, the array list is more efficient as it is common to need access to random items in the list. But the linked list provides several methods to do certain operations more efficiently. See method description. Add first. Adds item to the beginning of the list. Add last. Add an item to the end of the list. Remove first. Remove an item from the beginning of the list. Remove last. Remove an item from the end of the list. Get first. Get the item at the beginning of the list. Get last. Get the item at the end of the list. See the example. Now we are using cars.addFirst Mahindra. See, by writing and executing this code, the result printed this: the Mahindra was added first. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 39, Java linked list. The next video let us learn about another topic, Java hash map. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.